Hi everyone. Some will start with 3 plus 9 and write 12 divided by 4 minus 3. And then they will divide 12 divided by 4, which is 3, minus 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Wrong. That is not the answer. 0 is not the answer. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying, hey, you are dividing, not adding. So what is 9 divided by 4? Let's write 9 divided by 4 in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. And let's do the same for this 3. Let's bring it down as a fraction to make the math fun and easy. Bring down the plus sign, bring down the minus sign, and also bring down the 3 in a fraction form. We all know that 3 over 1 equals 3. Does not change to 3. Notice that the operations adding and subtraction are both within its own level in PEMDAS. So all we have to do is solve this math problem from left to right. And we're starting with 3 over 1 plus 9 over 4. So I'm going to move this minus 3 over 1 to the side. So I'll just write it here, minus 3 over 1. So we got some working space. And notice that the denominators are different in these fractions. So we need to use the butterfly method. So we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And the wing indicates multiplication. So I'm drawing the first wing. So 3 times 4 is, and I'm drawing the antenna, 12. Good job. 3 times 4 is 12. And then I'll draw the other wing, 1 times 9, and then the antenna, the other antenna. 1 times 9 is 9. And so let's add 12 plus 9, right? 12 plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11, right? 9, 10, 11. And then we have 1 plus another, so that's 2. So 12 plus 9 is 21. And then we multiply 1 times 4, which is 4. So our new denominator is 4. Our new numerator is 21. And this cannot be broken down to its simplest form. This is it. You cannot simplify this further. So 21 over 4 it is. Now I am going to erase all this part. All this. We don't need this part. There. I'm going to rewrite this 21 over 4 on this side. And let me go ahead and bring down the minus 3 over 1 equals. Now we are looking at 21 over 4 minus 3 over 1. Notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method again. So we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So I draw the first wing, 21 times 1, and the antenna. So 21 times 1 is 21. And then I draw the other wing and the other antenna. 4 times 3 is 12. And we're going to subtract 21 minus 12. So 21 minus 12. So we do this here. 11 minus 2 is 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our numerator is 9. And then we multiply 4 times 1, which is 4. And so that will be our new denominator. 9 over 4, and you cannot simplify this further. This is it. This is the answer, but we're going to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer. So let me go ahead and erase all this. We don't need. I'm going to write the first answer over here, 9 over 4. Then we'll write our mixed number answer here, and then our decimal answer here using long division. So I'm going to write the long division symbol like that. I write the 9 inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. And the 4 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. And how many times can 4 fit into 9? Well, 4 times 2 is 8, so it will be 2. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So we can write our mixed number answer. So the whole number will be 2. The remainder, which is 1, this 1 goes on top of the fraction bar, and then the 4 goes at the bottom of this, or below the fraction bar. Now, some of us already know the decimal answer already just by looking at this problem, but let's continue the long division, and we'll get our decimal answer after. And how many times can 4 fit into 1? You cannot, so we need to borrow from a 0 and add a decimal after the 9, write the 0. We're borrowing a 0, so we bring it down, give it to the 10. Don't forget to add a decimal after the 2. So how many times can 4 fit into 10? 2 times. And 2 times 4 is 8. And we subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. And then how many times can 4 fit into 2? You cannot, so we need to borrow another 0. Bring it down, give it to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. How many times can 4 fit into 20? 5 times. And 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 minus 20 is 0. There. 0. Oops, made a mess there. It's 0. So the answer is 2.25 as the answer. So you are looking at a improper fraction, 9 over 4, a mixed number answer, which is 2, 1 over 4, and lastly, you have a decimal answer, 2.25. And if you look at your mixed number answer, you can convert this to a improper fraction. All you have to do is multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, 9. So you'll get 9 over 4. Cool, right? That's super cool. Look at that. So there you go. You got 3 different answers, and they're all correct. So, all right. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And let me go ahead and draw you in happy face. Look at that. Happy face. Ta-da! See you in the next video. Bye.